What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a fog machine. Now, on the description it says you can use this indoors and outdoors, but people mainly use fog machines for parties, especially Halloween. They want that fog effect, or something that we're trying to do here. Well, on my new blogging channel, I will be starting up my reaction channel. Well, I used to have a reaction channel, but I might be starting up a new reaction channel. So I have some ideas that I want to do, and one of them will be a fog machine. Now, if it don't work, if my idea don't work, then I will use the fog machine for something else. But I'm just going to show whoever's looking to unbox this, or whoever's looking to see an unboxing and install and a review, then you landed on the right channel. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, take that out, and here we go. First thing that comes out is the user's manual. It's lightweight, you guys, very lightweight. Okay, so here goes where you put the fog liquid. So here you have empty, and all the way up here you have full, and you already know you're on and off. It tells you right there, self-explanatory. And here goes your power source right here. They already gave you the cord. You hook it up, and then you go ahead and party and have fun. I used to have a fog machine, but on that fog machine, it was just like one setting, and that's it. So the amount of fog that came out was the amount. There was no control on it. On this side is your outlet. This is where the fog comes out, and here goes your lights right here. All right, you guys, so the instructions don't tell you how to put the handle on, but what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put this piece on here. All right, I'm gonna put this little screw on, and then I'm gonna put the washer here. That way metal is not touching metal. So I'm just gonna put it on like that. Instructions don't tell you, so that's what you're gonna get. We're gonna do the other side, and there you go. Now, I don't know why there's a hole up here, but I'm not gonna get that deep into it. I'm not sure if this handle is supposed to be like a mounting handle, if you wanted to mount it or not. I'm not sure, because I believe the liquid is supposed to stay leveled. So I wouldn't mount this. I would just keep it on the floor and aim it to where you want the fog to go. All right, you guys, so we are about to put some liquid into this fog machine, and I had to wait at least a few days because I forgot to purchase this when I purchased the fog machine. So basically we have this thing called fog juice. It says water-based, non-toxic, creates a thick cloud of fog, and it says leaves no residue or stains. I didn't know this stuff would leave a residue or stain, so that's good to know. All right, and it says use in water-based foggers. So I believe this is a water-based fogger because you need liquid for this fogger. So we're going to take this off. All right, so as y'all know, we have our empty full halfway mark right there. We are going to go ahead and pour it in. I'm just going to put in a little bit. I'm going to hit on and see what happens. Woo! That light is bright. You guys, the light is pretty bright, you guys. That's pretty cool. All right, so we have the light on, and the way this works, you have your remote right here. I'm going to go ahead and take that out. That's pretty cool. Got my little electric scissors right here. I'm going to cut through. You guys, this is probably one of the best things ever. When you get these like packages from like Sam's Club or whatever, this thing is a lifesaver. It is. Look at that. I mean, yeah, I gotta pick up the trash though, but and that's it. Love it. I'll put a link into the description about the electric scissor if I remember. If not, then y'all can remind me in the comments if you want that. All right, so they gave us a little tiny battery. Never seen this battery. What is this? It says 23A. All right, so 23A. It says up this way. Okay, pops up. Put our 23A in. Oh, wait a second. Fog off. Oh, well, at least the remote works. But as soon as I put the thing in the remote, wow, that kicks up a lot of fog. Woo, you guys. That little bit of fog right there. Look at that. Ooh, it looks cool, though. I like that. Now, it says it's non-toxic, so we'll leave it with that. Now, why do I want to do this? Because I want my like little blog area to be like pretty cool. Give it a little effect. It smell like a fog. If you ever been into like lounges, clubs or something, then you kind of know what a fog area smells like. But wow, this is actually covered. That little bit of fog right there covers the whole daggone room. So it says 5 minutes right here. It says flash mode. I don't know what I want to do first. Let's go with LED on. It says fog on, LED off. LED off. You guys, the response time with the remote is very quick. When will the fog disappear out of your room? I don't know. Let me. Oh, fog off, fog off, fog off. No. Oh, the fog on, fog off. Ooh, too much fog, too much fog. This is pretty cool though. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. All right, so right here you got flash. Let me see what flash is. All right, so you got flashing lights right there. Y'all see the whole area. All right, that's flash. This one is fade, so it's slower. All right, what you got? Strobe. Okay, that's when you're in the what's the name. So yeah, be careful. That may cause seizures, as they will say. And then you have smooth. All right, we already know what these are. Fog on, fog off, LED on, LED off. All right, right here it says 5 minutes. So I'm assuming you could run this thing for 5 minutes, or you can do whatever color you want. Fog off. I did not hit. What did I hit? Oh, 15 minutes. Oh, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes. I hit 15 minutes by accident. You guys, this thing is so sensitive. All right. But that's good though. So you have purple, then you have blue. You guys, if you running this for like 15 minutes straight, that's insane. All right. That is a lot of fog. Well, if you're in the club or something, then yeah. Or if you're doing like a Halloween party, this is definitely good for Halloween party. But Halloween should be like orange color, right? So I guess we have red, but that's not really a Halloween color. But I guess y'all get the point with that, right? I wish this shoots out. You could do it like every like few minutes. So that would be cool. Not every 1 minute, but every 5 minutes it shoots out for like 30 seconds. I wish you could set up a timer like that. But you can't really do that on here. It's just basically an off and on thing. So that will be it, you guys. Basic, simple fog machine. Nice for parties and stuff like that. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.